Test Your English, Have or Has, Part 2. There are 10 questions and you have 10 seconds for each question to answer. The answer will be shown after the time is up, or in the comment section. Number 1 question. Have or has? Answer. Does she have enough water? Have. Number 2 question. Have or has? Answer. The rabbit doesn't have blue eyes. Have. Number 3 question. Have or has? Answer. Everyone has done the job. Has. Number 4 question. Have or has? Answer. Do they have car? Have. Number 5 question. Have or has? Answer. You have not submitted the assignment. Have. Number 6 question. Have or has? Answer. Does your little sister have many dolls? Have. Number 7 question. Have or has? Answer. I'm not sure that Fitria has broken the glass. Has. Number 8 question. Have or has? Answer. Have your classmates entered the room? Have. Number 9 question. Have or has? Answer. Cynthia has not watched this movie. Has. Number 10 question. Have or has? Answer. Trust me, the bird has the beautiful color. Has. Please write your score in the comment section. Thank you. and see you in the next video.